Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. I'm going to show you 3 different ways you could do this. This one and this one are kind of the same, but this one has an ending and a start, where this one has 2 ends. So the first way to do it that most people think is the spiral tool. And you could set it on 15-sided and you have that, but you've just got an end and a start. And at that, really, you can't change it afterwards. You can't change the spiral. The other way to do it is to take your 2-point line and then grab your twirl tool, which is underneath your shape tool. For this to work, you have to be bigger than your line. So let's make it like 40 inches. And also you have to be right in the middle for it to twirl. But you have no way to go back. The other way is the way I actually prefer doing it is take a 2-point line and grab the distort tool, which is underneath your drop shadow flyout. Pick twister direct distortion, and you've already got it kind of picked, and then just go up with the number, and it's going to twist, and you could adjust this, to change things. But the easiest thing is just to keep adding. And what I like about this, you go, well, that's too many. Well, you can go right back down and do whatever you want. It's a pretty cool tool. I don't use it that often, but and you can change the direction of the twirl, from going that way or that way. I mean, some people might say, well, what are you going to do with that? Well, I don't really know. But what you can do is just some things is go from that node to that. That didn't work. Huh. I don't know why that won't was. You know what? Let's do this. Whenever something's giving you trouble, go to effects and convert it to a curve, and then it'll act differently. Oh, I've got it set on tangent. I did a video last night with tangent. So just get back to the straight line. It was trying to look for the tangent. And then you could take your smart fill tool, set on any color, and you could do stuff like this and get basically half of a circle, half an ellipse with a little flare to it, a little different. I must have either had a leak or I filled in 2 of them. Yep. There's all kinds of things you can do with it, and then take this away and you have that. Take away your original line and no telling what you could do with that. But anyway, that's 3 different ways to make that pattern. And as you can see, this one just has a start and a finish, where this one actually joins in the middle, just much like the Corel tool does. Anyway, I hope that helped you a little bit. Thank you for watching.